Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. They accept arguments and return values. Arguments are input given to the functions. These arguments can be numbers or text. The values should be given in between the opening and closing parentheses. Rules for using functions. All Excel functions must begin with the equal sign. Function name must be a valid name. Function must be followed by opening and closing parentheses. Categories of functions. Excel provides the following categories of functions. Statistical functions. Calculate the maximum, minimum, average, etc. of a set of numeric data. Financial functions. Calculate interest on a loan, the number of installment of a loan, the amount of every installment, etc. Date and time functions. Calculate the day, month and year of a date and the hour, minute and second of a particular time. Mathematical functions. Calculate the square root or absolute value of a number, product of numbers, etc. Logical functions. Evaluate conditions such as x is greater than 5 and give the result as true or false. Text functions. Perform a number of operations on strings, that is, a collection of characters like hello, friend, computer, etc., such as finding the length of a string, joining two strings, searching for one string inside another, etc. Database functions. Query a database based on the data contained in the database. Information functions. Provide information about a specific cell, such as the type of data it contains, whether it is textual or numeric. Lookup and reference functions. Locate specific values in specific cells. Let us discuss some of these categories in detail. Mathematical functions. Functions. Purpose. Example. Sum, range. It returns the sum of a range. Input equals sum 4, 8, 12, 16. Output 40. Product, range. It multiplies the values in a range of cells. Input product 4, 2, 8. Output 64. Mod, number, divisor. It returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Input equal mod 8, 5. Output 3. Sqrt, number. It returns the square root of the given number. Input sqrt 81 in bracket, output 9. Int, number. It rounds the number to an integer value. Input int 14.25. Output 14. Power, number, power. It returns the result of a number raised to some power. Input power 5, 3. Output 125. Count, range. It returns the count of the number or values in the selected range. Input count into bracket 4, 8, 12. Output 3. Round, number underscore of underscore digits. It returns a number after rounding to the specified digits. Input equal round into bracket 35.666, 2. Output 35.67. ABS, number. It returns the absolute value of a given number. Input equal ABS into bracket minus 25. Output 25. Let us use the mathematical functions in Excel. To use the mathematical functions, follow the given steps. 1. Type the following data in the Excel worksheet. 2. To calculate the price of pencils, type the equal product into bracket B3 colon C3 function and press the Enter key. When you press the Enter key, the price of the pencils appears in the cell D3. Using the autofill feature, we can calculate the prices of the geometry boxes and pens. 3. To calculate the subtotal, type the equals sum into bracket D3 colon D5 function and press the enter key. 4. Calculate the tax by using the equal D6 into 7 into bracket divide by 100 formula. 5. Calculate the total by using the equals sum into bracket D6 colon D7 function. Text functions. Functions. Purpose. Example. Concatenate text 1, text 2. It joins together two or more different text strings. Input equal concatenate into bracket digi in double inverted, code in double inverted. Output digicode. Left text, num underscore or chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the left side of the text string. Input equal left into bracket digi in double quotes, 3. Output dig. Right into bracket text, num underscore chars. It returns the specified number of characters from the right side of the text string. Input right equal right into bracket digi in double quotes, 3. Output igi. Len text. It returns the length of the text string. Input equal len into bracket in double quotes digi. Output 4. Upper text. It converts the text string into uppercase. Input equal upper into bracket digi in double quotes. Output digi in uppercase. Lower text. It converts the text string into lowercase. Input equal lower into bracket digi in double quotes. Output digi in lowercase. Let us use the text function in Excel. To use the text functions, follow the given steps. 1. Type the following data in the Excel worksheet. 2. Type equals concatenate A3, B3 function to concatenate the first name and last name and press the enter key. When you press the enter key, the first name and the last name appear after concatenation. 3. Type equal upper into bracket A3 function to convert the first name into uppercase and press the enter key. When you press the enter key, the first name appears in uppercase. 4. Type equal lower into bracket A3 function to convert the first name into lowercase and press the enter key. When you press the enter key, the first name appears in lowercase. Logical functions. Functions. Purpose. Example. Max. Range. It returns the largest value in the given range. Input. Max 4, 16, 12, 9 into bracket. Output 16. Min. Range. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Input equal min into bracket 4, 16, 12, 9. Output 4. Average. Range. It returns the average of the given numbers in a range. Input equal average into bracket 12, 3, 6. Output 7. If condition, value 1, value 2. It checks whether the given condition is met and returns value 1 if the condition evaluates to true and value 2 if the condition evaluates to false. Percentage equal 80. Input equal if into bracket percentage is greater or equal to 50, passed in double quotes, failed in double quotes. Output passed. Let us use the logical functions in Excel. To use the logical functions, follow the given steps. 1. Type the following data in the Excel worksheet. 2. Type equal max into bracket B3 colon F3 function to find the maximum marks and press the enter key. When you press the Enter key, the maximum marks appear in cell G3. Using the autofill feature, find the maximum marks of each student. Similarly, we can find the minimum marks by using the min function. 3. Type equal to average into bracket B3 colon F3 function to find the average of marks and press the Enter key. When you press the Enter key, the average of the marks appears in cell I3. Using the autofill feature, we can calculate the average of the marks of each student. Date and time functions. Functions. Purpose. Example. Today, it returns the current date. Input today followed by bracket. Output 7/23/2022. Month. Date. It returns the month of the given date. Input equal month into bracket today. Output 7. Year. Date. It returns the year of the given date. Input equal year into bracket today. Output 2022. Day. Date. It returns the day of the given date. Input equal day into bracket today. Output 23. Now, it returns the current system date and time. Input equal now. Output 21-05-2022 11:24. Hour. Time. It returns the hour from the given time. Input equal hour into bracket now. Output 11. Minute. Time. It returns the minutes from the given time. Input equal minute into bracket now. Output 24. Let us use the date and time functions in Excel. To use the date functions, follow the given steps. 1. Type equal today followed by bracket function in the cell and press the Enter key. 2. Type equal month into bracket today function and press the Enter key. When you press the Enter key, the current date appears in cell A1 and current month appears in cell A2. We can also give the reference of a cell containing the date to the month function. Similarly, we can use the year and day functions to get the year and day from a date respectively.